Do you feel like your bathroom is overflowing with products and you can't seem to store them properly? Let me show you how to organize every item you need under your bathroom vanities and your medicine cabinets. I'm Terry Elizabeth, author of How to Organize Any Space in 7 Simplified Steps, where I show you how to organize your spaces according to your personal organizing style so that your spaces can finally stay organized. If you need help organizing or just love organizing videos, click the subscribe button now. Now everything in this house is builder grade, so it's all very standard, which means that there are no drawers or shelves but just open space around pipes under the sink. And then there are these standard medicine cabinets in the wall. The good thing is though that I can show you how to organize these spaces. First, I will show you how we organize one of the full baths upstairs, and next I will show you how we organize the half bath or guest bathroom downstairs. For the full bath, we keep all the backup toiletries here in these containers, which can be found at Walmart and Big Lots. All links will be on my blog post. We store items that will replace what is used up in the shower, or on top of this vanity, or in my nightstand. My nightstand organization video is coming next. I have our products organized by category, including face, hair, body, oral care, pads, which can easily be grabbed when sitting on the toilet, and cotton products. Bins like this, where they are open on one side, work for every organizing style. I will explain the organizing styles in a video after my nightstand organization video. I will be using the linen closet to display the 6 different organizing styles, including how to store your backup toiletries if you don't have space in your bathroom. In the medicine cabinet here on the top shelf, we have some first aid products and medicines along with this sinus rinsing bottle, which is used in conjunction with these packets. I store these packets in this bin from the Dollar Tree. I remove the lid, along with these preservative-free eye drops and tampons. We have a hair tie here for tying hair up on non-hair washing days, and another Dollar Tree container with the lid removed holds individual flossers, some portable flossers, and these floss dispensers. This really old, stained, and scratched container is probably from the 99-cents only store, and it holds my daughter's whitening products, which I clearly need. We simply have a hairbrush here, and my daughter keeps some face masks and other skincare products here. Now in the half bath or guest bathroom, I store my hair tools and products. Now when I didn't have a guest bathroom to use in the past, these baskets sat on the etagere. Whether it was installed above the toilet or simply on the bathroom wall, if the space above the toilet did not allow for an etagere. So if you don't have another bathroom, I highly recommend any kind of small, shallow shelf that you can install on the wall. So in this basket, I have hair tools and brushes. In this basket, I have nail care products, which is handy to have because I can just take this whole basket outside to the patio when I need it. I just have a hot roller set here, and I actually repurposed these bins from the freezer, which I will explain when I get to my kitchen organization series. I needed a system in here, so these bins worked out perfectly. So in this bin I have ingredients for products I make, which you will see in my nightstand organization video. In this bin I have detoxifying mud bath products. In here I have empty containers for DIY products. And in this top bin we have another loved one's items here who stays here on occasion, which includes some of her toiletries. If you have guests over quite often, you can use this to store supplies for your guests, including toiletries, face cloths, and hand towels. In the medicine cabinet here on the top shelf, I have this kit where I use the scissors and clips solely for trimming hair, and the hair coloring kit for mixing and applying hair masks. I don't color my hair. I have a rat tail comb here, hairspray, and heat protectant. On this shelf, I have cornstarch in this jar, which I use with this makeup brush as a dry shampoo. I hold my styling clips and mini topsy tail in this little container. These containers from the Dollar Tree hold hair ties, a bun maker, and these brushes that clean the vents in your hair dryer. And this one holds mini hair elastics, bobby pins, and mini styling clips. I already showed you my backup and special occasion makeup here on this shelf in my previous video on how to organize makeup. In the description box below, I have a freebie for you, which is my quantities to keep guideline for both toiletries and makeup. In my book, I include a huge chart on my quantities to keep guidelines for the most clutter-causing items. And one of them is personal care products. My freebie below is a guideline based on how long products typically last, so that you know what items to replace as needed, what items you can keep the backup of, and what items you can stock up on if they're on sale and if you have the space to store them. I have a question for you. What is the oldest product you have found in your bathroom? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to grab your free quantities to keep guideline for personal care products so that you keep just what you need and can reasonably use up before it expires. That way you can save your money when you're tempted to buy something that you don't need, or because your spaces haven't been organized, you don't know what you have, so you end up buying duplicates. In my next video, I'll be showing you how I organize my nightstand, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss another organizing video. You can follow me on Instagram at TerryElizabethLLC for daily organizing tips, and you can follow my Healthy Habit Challenge, where I share my journey to establish healthy habits to help me overcome chronic fatigue. Until next time, happy organizing!